So the second half of the day was interesting because, well, we got done with everything like before noon. Like the two videos were out of the way. Well, the one video, this is the second one, so I guess it's not out of the way. But the second piece is easy, and it's just uploading it. It's no big deal. Um, I I went to Active Campaign to figure out how to promote their product to become an affiliate for them, and I couldn't figure it out. So I went to a few Facebook groups and asked them. Nobody's responded yet, so there's just it's been puzzling to me. And um, and then I started looking at other things like Express Secrets, .com Secrets, and then I went to ClickFunnels and I was seeing what links can I promote right now, and the only thing I can promote is Traffic Secrets and 30-day challenge. And I was like, wow, I can't even promote anything with Russell. So it was just like it blew my mind. So far the videos that I've been creating, everything's been promoting the ClickFunnels course, but like right now I can't even promote ClickFunnels because Russell's link is down. It says it's not available right now. So it just made me think like, wow, what am I going to promote? So my logic was, what if I took the top 20 keywords that not arrived, but like that pop up for the 30-day challenge, and then like I mean, those 30 keywords, they would all be in every single video. But I, this is just an idea. I had a few ideas. I'm going to run all of them by you guys today. Um, if you created 30 videos and then each video like focused on one keyword, you have the other keywords that are also in there, but the headline leads with it, and in the video you say it a million times, and in the description it says it a million times, and then the keyword says it like a couple of times, that one thing that you're striving for, and you do that for 30 different things, so that way YouTube knows that you're laser focused on that one thing. And then the thing is I have the box, I have the One Funnel Away challenge box, and I have the book, and I have the MP3, and I have the workbook. So I have all those things. Um, I think that'll be good. And then create a landing page. But I also need bonuses. I don't know what I would give. Maybe I should buy a few people's courses and get their bonuses and just snatch them, and then totally funnel hack their sales funnels and their opt-in pages and just start doing that. It's okay, Russell teaches us to funnel hack, so we're gonna funnel hack. That's the name of the game. I don't know. So that was kind of my thing. And then I was doing all that for Traffic Secrets, or excuse me, or 30-day challenge, One Funnel Away. And then I started thinking about Traffic Secrets too, because those are the only two things I can promote with ClickFunnels right now. And I don't know, I just started looking at all those landing pages and then seeing what people do, and like it's blowing my mind like how many people are promoting it. It's crazy. It's about to be the biggest book launch in the world. And then boom. So this whole time for the like last 7 hours, I've been just looking at other people's stuff, how they're doing their copy, whatever. And this whole time I'm listening to like a summer like EDM mix. And I don't know, like since I've been looking at YouTube channels and like the keywords, my brain is just like working that way. I was looking at his stuff, how he's doing it, and this dude has 45 videos, um, and he's got like 45 million views, like on each video. Like I'm like, what the how in the world? And it says the channel has been created for like 3 months ago. I was like, how in the world? And I'm thinking like he has nothing but an audio clip and then audio clip and then audio clip and then audio clip, and then all those audio clips, like whatever, they're together, and it's covered by a video. So there's a video and then there's these clips that are playing, and then the videos are clips too. So like video, and they don't necessarily like connect with each other. It's just random summer dancing clips. and then you have the audio clips. And he just publishes it, and I see his channel tags, I see his video tags, his name, his other channels. Like he has a few YouTube channels, and they're like, one is for EDM, one's for hip hop, but they're all doing it. What blew my mind is the channel is so young, and he's got so many views. So it wouldn't be hard to recreate all of that. Is to take his thing, download it, strip it, rearrange the tracks, rearrange the music. That way it's not copyrighted. You put it all back together. You publish it on YouTube. Like, and then like you spend $50 on each video to like really, really promote it. That way you get hundreds of thousands of views, and or even $100 per video. Like 10 videos, you spend $1,000, but like, hey, like people see your stuff, and then YouTube right away is gonna pay you right away. So maybe not $1,000, maybe that's a big jump, but $100 is a lot to spend on one video, at least with our budget, my budget. I got $1 right here. I'm just kidding. We gotta work hard. There's no shortcuts. I gotta figure out the online game. Anyways, I just wanted to run those ideas by you guys. So let's see. What are we gonna do tomorrow? Yeah, I think it's gonna be. Well, I'm just gonna still create my whatever daily stuff, my journey videos. I'm gonna create one random video like how to set up a lead page on ClickFunnels. Something random that I could just publish, that I can promote, whatever, and then that'll be out there just for the count. But like tomorrow, my heart and soul like is gonna be on 30-day challenge. I want to create landing pages. I want to create a Facebook group, like make it look nice. I mean, look what other people are doing, make it look nice. Do the bio, and then I don't know, like, and create like I guess think of some bonuses to create for the one funnel away. But the biggest thing is to, because the video wouldn't be hard. You just go look at somebody's video, see what they said. Like you can repeat what they said, but like the idea is like organizing all the keywords and seeing how they would do it. And then, like I said, the thumbnails, that needs to be nice too. Yeah. One funnel away is gonna be it. That's the thing. If one person comes in, that's $100. That'd be tight. That would be tight. My email marketing journey has not been progressing. I played with the software 2 days. I didn't even touch it today. Wow. But I gotta get back into it. Start looking at emails, how they do it. Anyways, tomorrow's focus is gonna be 30-day challenge and some nonsense videos, whatever. That's it. I'll see you guys tomorrow. That was a long one, but I mean, it's good because it was a full day. I also ran today, so that's good. Maybe I shouldn't even talk about that anymore since it's a habit. Like I don't have to think about it. I honestly like sometimes want to go run. Like this thing stresses me out. I'm like, oh, I gotta get out of here. So I just go run, and it makes me feel better. So I felt really inspired today after running. Like super excited, super motivated. Anyways, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace. Thanks for listening. Hopefully the whole thing was recorded. If not, I'm gonna fucking kill myself. Peace.